locking it up. Come on, ready. Come on.
We're on site at the Black Bayou Bridge on Highway 384 in Calcasieu Parish. Our winch replacement project is ongoing. We have disconnected the old winch and are currently testing the new winch. At the end of the 14-day road closure, we will utilize flagmen as required to complete the necessary work. The remaining work includes modifications to the bridge house and removal of the old winch system.
The Black Bayou Bridge is one of the top 3 most open movable bridges in the state, averaging between 800 and 900 openings a month. The old winch system that's being removed as part of this project is just that, old and outdated. It makes it extremely difficult to repair sometimes. The new winch system is identical to the electric winch that was installed at Grand Lake Bridge in 2018. The new bridge will be much more efficient and much more reliable for the mariners and roadway traffic. There will be planned maintenance and unplanned maintenance, as with any equipment, but the good news is the parts will be on the shelf ready to go, and hopefully downtime will be reduced. Thank you for your interest in the project and taking the time to watch the video. For more information, go to our DOTD website. As always, please use caution as you drive through the work zone.